Hi everybody, Alex Employer here from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to address one of the biggest problems in trading, and that is when to use a sideways technique and when to use a trending technique. And the ultimate trend catcher indicator solves that problem 100%. So you have these two extremes in trading. Some traders are sideways traders, and I must say I am mostly a sideways trader, and others are trend traders. They only trade big fast moves in the market. And that's what makes the market so interesting. So that is why you will find some traders buying and other traders selling at exactly the same spot in the market. So let's have a look at MT4 or MT5, and you'll see that even the indicators are grouped in as trend indicators or oscillators. So trend indicators would include indicators like the moving average, because the moving averages show you the trend. And then you have the oscillators, which are basically sideways market indicators, and those are the most used ones. There are the MACD, the RSI, and the stochastic indicator. So what you're going to be seeing here is quite unique, but to many this will be just another interesting strategy. But if you've lost money because you have traded a sideways technique in a trending market, or you have opened so many trades that they stay open forever, or they even blow your account, then what I'm going to be showing you now will make a lot of sense to you. Okay, so here's the ultimate trend catcher, and it is already available on your MT4 platform and your MT5 platform, and all it needs is an adjustment to an existing indicator. So you won't see that name there. You've got to make a small adjustment to an existing indicator. But once you've made that adjustment, and that will be covered in a future video, this is what you'll see. You'll see a very simple indicator. It's a line, that greenish line over there is the actual indicator. And what this indicator shows you are trends. And that's why we call it the ultimate trend catcher. And how do you know when there's going to be a trend? All that happens is the indicator points upwards. So the indicator moves upwards, there's a huge trend. Indicator moves upwards, there's a trend. The indicator moves upwards, there's a trend. Indicator moves upwards, there's a trend. So fantastic indicator, it tells you when the market is trending. And here again, you can see it pointing upwards, there's the trend. Pointing upwards, there's the trend. Pointing upwards, there's the trend. And you can just follow this one through, pointing upwards, there's a trend. So the indicator is fantastic to catch trends. And one of the things is it provides entries and exits. So if you are familiar with a hook concept, when an indicator makes a hook, that is a very definite signal. So for instance, there is a hook, it went down and hooked back, and there's a hook. So there's the entry, there's the exit, there's the hook, 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 there's a. So this indicator provides you with entries and exits. Magnificent indicator. There we are. You can see this one. Look at that one. Hook there, hook there. Look at the fantastic trend that it caught. So the hooks play a big role in this indicator. The other thing is that when this indicator is moving down, so in other words there, it's moving down, that market is actually sideways, and it is safe to trade sideways techniques. So when the market's moving down, sideways. Let's have a look. There's a down movement, sideways market. There's a down movement, sideways market. There's a down movement, sideways market. That's actually a sideways market. Even there's a sideways market. Downward there, look at this sideways market. So this indicator not only tells you when there are trends, but it also tells you when you can safely trade sideways markets. So it is absolutely Wonderful. Now you'll also see a little moving average here. It's not really part of the system, but I like using an offset moving average because what it does, it says there's the entry, and then when that comes back, that's the exit. So that's another way of determining entries and exits when trading trends. And here's another beautiful example. There's the entry crossover, there's the exit where it crosses over there. And this a moving average keeps you in a trend almost right to the end, because you need that little correction to confirm that the trend's over. So the moving average does play a role, but the hooks you'll find are way superior because they get you in earlier. And as you can see, currently we are in a trend. The indicator is pointing up and the market is trending. So fantastic indicator. So just to summarize again, very simple indicator. If the ultimate trend catcher is pointing up, then assume a trend. If it is pointing down, then assume it's safe to trade sideways techniques. Very, very simple. And that's how trading should be. Very, very simple. And then obviously you just trade the hooks between those particular moves. Now, because you're only trading one trade at a time, this is ideal for US traders because you just enter one trade, you don't need more, and you exit one trade, and you never have more than one trade open. Ideal for US traders. Now, yesterday I made this video where I invited traders to contribute accounts to their linking service, and they would be very handsomely rewarded. They will essentially can earn up to $40 per unique client that links to their particular account. So if they have a really successful account and lots of clients linked to it, they can earn a small fortune. Now, this has been very well received. We already have, you'll see in this week's update, we'll have almost 20 new accounts for members of the linked copy service to simply link into. All of these accounts will have successful track records, and we are sure that the most recent trading will be very reliable. Now, the technique I've just shown you has been supplied to these signal providers, and they are already generating accounts that will be used in the linking service in the future, because it is such a good technique for small accounts, because you're trading only one transaction at a time. You only need a small account, and because it is US friendly. So the results from this approach will be available in the next month or two. So in the next videos, I will show you how to create the free Ultimate Trend Catcher indicator. Very easy because it's already there. All you have to do is some refinements to the indicator. And then you'll be pleased to know this has all already been automated. That's why the signal providers can already trade and use it. So I'll go into a little bit more detail on how you can buy the robots that are using this particular technique. And as it says there, these are already available for download, but I will clarify with you how these EAs work. And I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have, because I am very excited about this Ultimate Trend Catcher indicator. You can see the accuracy that it has and the amount of information it supplies traders about when to trade sideways markets, when to trade trending markets. Now, if you've liked this video, please like it, and also leave a comment to ask any questions that you might have, or just to give me feedback on whether I am on the right track. Are these the kind of things that you see will help your trading? Very important for me, because if I don't get any comments, I'll just go cold on this topic and not make videos anymore, because clearly the people don't want this kind of video. So please give me feedback. Let me hear what your thinking is, and please watch out for the future videos. So from me, Alex Ploy, cheerio. Just a reminder to join our expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video.